Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you today. um, oh man, I gotta get this lighting under control. Um, let's see if we can darken that down. That's better. American Dream by Washington State Picker. Here's the bit-tune on the key. And works perfectly fine. We're going to try to get into this. Excuse me. Gotta clear my throat. I modified this one. Was a lot thicker here and a lot thicker there. I tried to make it like the SS Dev, that I think it was a copy trying to be like it, and I just kind of, it's not pretty right now, but I'm going to use shrink wrap on it later anyway, so it won't really matter. I'll get it all cleaned up. And it's from my little Nightcrawler kit. Let's give it a shot and see what we can do with it. Go back here, see if we can find the pins. I think that was 5. I'm just going to fill around in here, guys, and see what I can come up with, because haven't tried these really. Okay, I got to click there. I don't know if that was good, because I didn't feel anything drop. May have overset that. Let me run this back again. I'm in an awkward position here. I got to get this figured out too, my picking station. Okay. I think that's my first pin. I'm not sure. Man, it's giving me. Okay. I think that was 5. Oh, there we go. Got a little drop on that. Come back this way. Got a little drop there, I think. I'm hoping. Sorry about the light, guys. I'm trying to get that under control too. Find out where my pins are. Don't know what I'm missing. I'm missing something here. Don't feel anything yet. I just bypassed something here. Trying to stay on these pins. Oh, wow. What am I missing? Doggone it. Feels like everything's set. I must be sliding past something. I felt like I was caught up there. Don't know. Oh. Thought that went. Oh, it did. I think. Oh, it did, and I dropped it. Oh, man. I think I dropped it. Yeah, I bet I did. No, I didn't. It was open. It was open, guys. I'm sorry. It was open. I didn't realize it. Wow. Yeah, I clicked it, that last click, I guess got it, and I didn't realize I had it. So, yeah. Ooh, it's always nice to get one. Okay. We have a key, but I don't think we need it. My stuff, I keep moving my stuff around, so I don't know where it is half the time. Oh, you dirtbag. That is not what I wanted. There you are. I was wondering where you were. I get a new setup, guys, and I can't... Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to yell at you. Get a new setup, and I can't do a thing with it. Where are you? There he is. Wow. It's taking me all day to do anything. Sorry for my arm reach, guys and gals. Anybody who actually watches me do anything. Thank you for watching, that's for sure. Okay. Now it's a tough job. There you go. To do anything with these little pins. I haven't made one of these yet because of the fact it's so tough for me even to work with just the regular pins. I'm really going to have to wear a magnifying helmet type thing to even be able to deal with these. Got threading in 2 and 6. Nice. Very nice. Some of these are too short. Ooh, that's a nice one. Nice work on that 6th pin. Wow, this is going to be tough for me. This could be a long video, guys. Trying to get these out of here. I may have to go to a different set of tweezers. Pardon me. Okay. I'll go back and get the springs. They're probably all standard springs. I'm going to have to get my other tweezers out here. Like I said, this may be a long video, guys. I'm sorry. I would pretty much fast forward through this part and look at the pins later. Doggone it, I can't even get on that thing. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it like that. Now if I can get it out of holding it and move it up. Now if I can get it out of there. Excuse me. And set it down like that. Okay. Move it up. Push it up. Snag it. Set it down. Ooh, I like this. It's not going to work on the other side, though. Ah, crud. I went too far on that one. Oh, but I can pretty well guess how that went in. Probably just like that. All right. Let's go in the back way. Okay. And I'm sure these are probably all standard springs, but this one's sticking out right away. Number 6. Number 5. Yeah. They pretty much look like all standard springs, guys. I'm going to call it, well, unless he's done anything to the top, he may have. So let's go in the other way and check them out. Let's do a thorough job here. Okay. Right there. And now, let's see what we got up top. I'm not seeing anything done in the Bible. Yeah, it doesn't look like he threaded through here. Okay, so here are our pins. Got kind of an hourglass cutting going on there with a serrated extra. Ooh, he took the end off of that and made it kind of a hourglass with a T-pin, kind of serrated spool and serrated bottom. Made that a nice spool, normal bottom, serrated, and this kind of a bottom T-pin and a spool. So here's your springs up top. That one is different on the end, number 6 place. Okay, so there we have it. Sorry for the long video. I didn't want to mess it up. This is American Dream from Washington State Picker. Thanks for sending it out in the community, buddy, and I will get it back together when I have daylight and steady hands. Okay, so thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.